16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you got a problem, we're dealing with it together.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and the what else?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Yeah, it's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It
Man.
was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our time.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come on up. We need to move it fast enough. Roman, ready? Come on.
I got the bull by the horn!
Now we're moving.
You give me the witness to remember we call it a day! I'm not company! You asshole! Don't think you're getting away! Fucking let go!
Where you go, Letty?
Don't run another missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got it.
Fucking don't shoot! Head for the bridge! Under construction! Everybody up!
Ride or die.
Where did people learn to ride like that? And Willis, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there.